Searching for the best gun laser sight feels like walking into a room where everyone is saying the same thing. Same bright beam claims, same military-grade buzzwords, same stock photos. But here's the thing, not all lasers are built for the same job. Some help you train smarter, others keep zero under stress, and a few are just overpriced flashlights. Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1, 9mm laser training cartridge. This little gold cartridge might look like a prop, but it's actually one of the smartest dry-fire tools out there. Priced under $30, it's a no-brand training aid that fits right into your 9-chamber and fires a bright class IIIA laser when you pull the trigger. If you want to practice drawing, aiming, and trigger control without burning through ammo, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Every time you dry fire at home, you're building muscle memory. This cartridge gives instant feedback. If your laser wobbles or drops, you know your grip or trigger pull needs work. It's made of brass, so it won't crack under repeated use, and it comes with 3 battery sets that each last up to 1,000 clicks. That's months of daily practice without swapping parts. Now, some people complained about the lack of reviews and generic branding, and honestly, that's fair. There's no warranty or customer support to speak of. But for under $30, you're not paying for a brand name, you're paying for function, and in this case, it delivers. This is perfect for you if you train at home, want to save range costs, or are new to firearms and need repetition. Skip this one if you need live fire feedback or want something with official support. For the price, it's a steal. Product number 2, Highlight Tactical Green Laser. Alright, that training cartridge was great for practice, but what if you need a laser you can actually carry? Enter the Highlight Tactical Green Laser. It's tiny, only 1.28 ounces, and mounts on any Picatinny or Weaver rail. If you want a bright, visible beam that works in daylight and stays zeroed under recoil, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Green lasers are way more visible than red in daylight. At 532 nm and under 5 MW, this one cuts through sun glare up to 100 yards out. It's housed in military-grade nylon, so it handles drops and bumps, and it's IPX4 waterproof, meaning rain or sweat won't kill it. Plus, it's USB rechargeable with a 5-hour runtime and overcharge protection. Now, some people complained about the lack of included mounting tools and vague compatibility details. And yeah, the product page doesn't list exact models, just fits most. That's risky if you've got a rare rail setup. This is perfect for you if you carry a compact pistol like a Glock 19 or SIG P365 and want a reliable, daylight-visible laser. Skip this one if you need precise model-specific fit or hate guessing compatibility. Still, for subcompact shooters, it's a solid pick. Product number 3, LASERPRO Green Laser W LED Light. Now, if Highlight's vague fit bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The LASERPRO Green Laser isn't just a laser, it's a combo unit with an integrated LED light, and it lists exact compatibility with over 20 popular pistols, from Glock 19s to Taurus G to CS. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having both a green laser and a 100 lumen light means you can identify threats and aim in total darkness. The laser reaches 100 yards in daylight and over 2 miles at night. It's rechargeable via magnetic USB, and the package includes an AC adapter, rare at this level. Plus, it's FDA Class IIIA compliant, so it's legal and safe. Now, some people complained about the plastic housing feeling flimsy compared to metal. And honestly, it's not as rugged as aluminum. If you're dropping your gun or training hard, that could be a concern. This is perfect for you if you want a light and laser in one, own a common pistol model, and hate carrying extra batteries. Skip this one if you need extreme durability or have a rare firearm. For everyday carry and home defense. It's a smart dual-tool solution. Product number 4, GOTICAL Red Dot Bore Sighter. Alright, that was a solid combo unit, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for precision shooters. The GOTICAL Red Dot Bore Sighter looks like a fancy bullet because that's exactly what it is. You chamber it like live ammo, and it projects a laser down the barrel to show where your rifle is actually aiming. If you want to zero your scope without wasting rounds, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Sighting in a rifle can take 10-20 shots just to get on paper. This tool cuts that down to 0. Just drop it in, see where the dot lands, adjust your scope, and you're ready to fire. It's brass, under 5 MW class IIIA, and works with .22 to .250 calibers. No batteries to swap, no mounts to fiddle with. Now, some people complained about it not working in semi-autos with fixed bolts or certain chamber designs. And yeah, it's not universal, you've got to check your rifle type first. This is perfect for you if you reload, hunt, or shoot long range and hate wasted ammo. Skip this one if you've got a unique action or no access to the chamber. For bolt guns and rimfires, it's a game changer. Product number 5, Godical Green Laser Dot Sight. Finally, if you want a full-size tactical laser that feels like it belongs on a duty pistol, this Godical Green Laser is built different. Made of aircraft-grade aluminum with an anodized finish, it's heavier at 100 grams but built to last. If you want a rugged, adjustable laser for home defense or range use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It mounts on any 11 or 20 Picatinny rail and holds 0 even after repeated recoil. The green beam is visible up to 200 meters in daylight and over 2,000 at night. Windage and elevation adjustments are tool-based, so you can fine-tune it precisely. The on-off button is on the back, simple but effective. Now, some people complained about the weight and bulk. It's not ideal for concealed carry. And honestly, at 100 grams, it's better suited for home defense or competition. This is perfect for you if you run a full-size pistol, want maximum visibility, and don't mind the extra heft. Skip this one if you carry concealed or want something minimal. For nightstand duty, it's a beast. So which one's right for you? The training cartridge if you dry fire at home, highlight if you carry compact, LASERPRO if you want light and laser together, GOTICAL bore sighter if you zero rifles, and the Godical Green Laser if you want a tank-like sight for defense. No single laser does it all, but one of these definitely fits your need. Drop your setup in the comments, I'd love to hear what you're running.